7 minus 5 gives us 2. And again, inside the parenthesis, we also have 7 minus 5, so that becomes another 2. Now it looks super easy. 2 times 2 equals 4. You might look at that and think, ooh, nice, answer is 4. But hold on, that is actually not the correct answer to the whole expression. Let's go through it the proper way using the correct order of operations. Remember PEMDAS. Parenthesis first, then exponents, then multiplication or division, and finally addition or subtraction. Multiplication and division have equal priority, and we always move from left to right. The same rule applies to addition and subtraction. Now, in this expression, we have 1 subtraction, 1 multiplication, and 1 parenthesis. The number next to the parenthesis means multiplication, even though the sign isn't written. So according to PEMDAS, we must start with the parenthesis. Inside the parenthesis, 7 minus 5 equals 2. So now the expression becomes 7 minus 5 times 2. Now we have 1 subtraction and 1 multiplication. Since multiplication comes before subtraction, we must do that part first. 5 times 2 equals 10. So now the expression becomes 7 minus 10. And 7 minus 10 gives us negative 3. So the correct final answer is negative 3. If this one tricked you for a second, make sure to like the video, share it with someone who might fall for the quick method, and hit subscribe for more clean and satisfying math explanations. Tell me in the comments, did you get 4 first or negative 3?